Okay, let's proceed to another example in multiplying monomials. So let's have this example. We have 9x squared y raised to 3 times 2x y raised to 4. So we're multiplying monomial by a monomial. So again, here are the step-by-step procedure in multiplying monomials. We will multiply the coefficient by the coefficient, variables by variables. So let's start first with our coefficient. So let's multiply 9 and 2. So 9 times 2, that will be 18. Then, let's proceed to multiplying our variables. Now, observe that we have two variables present in our example. Next, we will perform our loss of exponent. So, let's apply the loss of exponent, starting with the variable x. So, we multiply the variable x squared and x. Remember that there is an invisible exponent here that is equal to 1. So we copy the base, x, and then add the exponent, 2 plus 1. That is for the variable x. Next, let's proceed to the variable y. Y raised to 3 times y raised to 4. So we copy the base, y, the variable y, and then we add the exponent, 3 plus 4. Let's simplify the exponent. So we will have 18. X raised to 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Then y raised to 3 plus 4, that will be 7. Our product will be 18 x raised to 3, y raised to 7. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.